Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a cinnamon coffee cake. I have tried to keep the quantity of almond flour really low in this, and I've tried to keep it such that it doesn't have too much of dairy, no heavy cream and no sour cream. It's turned out really nice. Let me show you what it looks like, and I could even do a taste test. So here it is. It's like a pound cake, but it's a coffee cake. So here's my taste test. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with half a cup of almond flour, just half a cup. After that, we have 4 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, all going straight into a blender, and 5 tablespoons of a sweetener of your choice. Give it a quick blend. And after that, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and in go 4 medium eggs. And of course, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or any other extract of your choice. Give it all a good blend. Now I've got my loaf pan ready. I'm showing you the consistency and it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Last thing I'm putting is a sprinkling of cinnamon powder on top as well as some sweetener just thrown in. If you don't have brown sweetener, you can put white sweetener on top. And here it is after 30 minutes of baking. The perfect cake.